I'm Angela. I'm the owner of Dangelas Dumplings in downtown Libertyville. We're the only dumpling specialist in Lake County. We handmade and fresh make our dumplings every day. This restaurant comes from our whole family, and the recipes are from my mom, and we're from northeast China, where the dumplings are original from. Dumplings very meaningful for people in my area, in the northeast China. And my mom is super good at making dumplings, so the recipe from her. And my dad has the mechanical engineering background, so he customized the machine for us. My restaurant name Dangelas, combined with my husband named Dan and my name Angela. I got my master's degrees in marketing in America. My first job was working as a marketing specialist for a restaurant brand. That's how I chose opening my own restaurant as my career. Our dumplings are from scratch. We make our own dough, own wrappers. We didn't buy ground meats. We use our choppers to chop them. And same to the vegetables. So everything from scratch and handmade. We have 6 fillings in our daily operations. Our best sellers are the beef and onion and shrimp, pork, and chives. Those are very traditional Chinese fillings. And we also have one is shrimp sweet corn chives for the customer who don't eat the red meats. And we have one vegetarian option, what is the egg zucchini. We have 2 ways to cook our dumplings. It's either will be boiled, water will cook in the water so the wrappers will be softer. Another one is a pan-seared. It's different than the deep fried. So pan-seared, the bottom will be crispy and the top wrapper still will be softer. There's 2 textures we made our dumplings, and we also sell frozen dumplings which are raw, so need customer to cook by themselves at home.